Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making your geophone discoverable and confirming data is live. This is essential because Bluetooth tethering shares the phone's internet. First, enable mobile data and check APN so packets route correctly. Next, switch on Bluetooth and set the geophone to visible. While pairing, keep both screens active and accept connection prompts. This early setup prevents drops and ensures the remote device can request internet access. Once done, move to pairing and serve as sharing steps. Now you pair and enable the actual tethering service. On the client device, search for the geophone, select it, and confirm the PIN. This secures the link. Then on the geophone, navigate to network or connectivity settings and find Bluetooth tethering or tether/hotspot options. Enable Bluetooth tethering so the phone shares its internet over the Bluetooth link. You should see the client listed under connected devices and a small data indicator. Make sure data usage permissions are allowed for that connection. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a web page or app on the client device to confirm internet flows. If it works, note speed and keep an eye on background sync that can eat data. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth and mobile data on the geophone, then repair. If problems persist, reboot both devices to clear transient errors. Make sure your carrier plan permits tethering and monitor usage to avoid charges. One key tip: repairing usually resolves most handshake issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.